Yes, sir. We don't come back. We don't talk plenty for here. All right, I'm going to give some shout out to somebody. Betiana, who?
Oh, yeah, we don't really miss we, as in, we don't miss. Oh,
we didn't miss her. I call her this morning. I said, sis, I didn't miss you. She said, no even talk her again because, but she can't say, but I did enjoy for this Port Harcourt.
Okay, for those of you who they ask of we plenty. Everybody they tweet say, where princess we get another show which they do it then called 30 minutes. And right now then they do interview for Inside Port Harcourt. So you're gonna need to gum your eye to Wazobia TV because the things where we the carry come give you.
Now only we for
not
here.
Not be here.
All right, so my people more go on top of our number 3 story this afternoon. What's in they happen? Family matter. Confusion the town. But we they here to bring actually solution to person where they confused. Yes, we they advise you on to what you supposed to do. Sharpen up if your parents won't give you free.
But why they not?
As in, she don't tutorial herself throughout today.
No, I can imagine as I did now. Then they can't lock me.
Okay, now listen to make you laugh.
Yes, you know, so you get some matter where we say, you know, so you know, if you shout over, you just laugh. Me, I'll lock the father and the mother inside. I'll go my own way. All right, so number 3 story, like I talked before, according to Dr. Oyinwolaoni, DNA expert for Lagos State. Now, hear what he talk.
Yes,
not here they stand.
The matter shocked me. Someone asked my dad. I can't remember saying my father no day again. What he talk? He say 40% of men for all over the world, they don't know say no be them be the biological father of their first children.
Meaning,
be it girl or a boy.
Wait. Before you continue, waiting exactly that statement mean.
All right, wait, make I tell you. According to Ram, he talks say years back. This one was 6 years ago. He say he meet one girl for UK, that's for London.
Okay.
He meets the girl, they don't date. 4 months after, his wife can't die. After his wife die, 1 year after, now the girl can send message to Ram say actually she be no one disturb her before, but now she just feels say me she tell and say in don't father twins with her, boy and a girl. He can say the matter shock him. He don't know how he want to break the news to his family. He think him, now he brave up. He can't tell him brother. As he tell him brother, now him brother come to say, it go make sense. Make we go UK, go actually see these children. Now he go UK, go see the children and the woman. Actually, you know, father now, 1-year-old twins. You know, kids now, they harmless and you can't but just love them. What's in happen now? He can say, okay, maybe I go holiday for Germany. As I go Germany, meanwhile in house for UK. In don they arrange the house as in everything, and the chick don they order. Yes, make sure say the bed sheet come from Chanel and the kinikon pentan with Sororo oil and kinikon. Meanwhile, by that time before they go for the vacation, in already fetch the children blood, carry go for DNA test. When DNA go come out, the day way I think a week before they go come back to come stay inside the house, now he discover say, behold, the twins no be own. That one motivate them. Come go into DNA matter. They check who born this, who be the father of this one. Now it consists of 40% so far in career. The men we don't marry inside marriage, the first became 40%. No be them be the father. Una believe this one. Or now because of his story, now they talk out.
Now, this just make me ask you that very instant. See what that statement mean? Because sometimes people they use what happened to them as yardstick for any other thing.
Okay.
Say if I date this man today and tomorrow I date this other person, I'm going to carry the thing where the other one take do me. They assess this other person, of which you're not supposed to do so.
Okay.
Well, what thing I go talk on top this one be say the man, yes, it hurt. And obviously, if you why this woman go do this thing to me? When they say 40%, I don't want to be listening at 40%. I never do my research, but where I don't do research, I need to listen at 40%. But I go say this, no be all the time. Even the men, in fact, 100% of the men.
According to your research.
Yeah, according to our research, 100% of the men are almost alike. So if you say the women, they do 40% of the women, they give false reports, say this speaking where I born, so now your own. No be most of the men, they prefer make the woman get belay before they marry him.
Word.
So what are we saying? I bet we just end that matter. I believe what you do and I make them feel say 40% of the women know they give them the rights
Well, for me, I actually believe to an extent within the man talk, because if you look at the society today, plenty women they get infertility issues. Maybe not the man they responsible, maybe not in they at fault when you know if you born picking, that one a different case. But you go find out say most of them they go come follow driver, then go follow houseboy. If they don't follow the one where they inside house, then go follow people for office or people with the rate of promiscuity don't really dey plenty for inside the obodo these days. So if the man say 40% of men no be the fathers of their first picking, I go totally agree, because about that same 40% of women too no they faithful to their husbands.
Well, no be lie. Excuse me, no be lie. By time I talk, if it happen, but more remember say this matter where they talk now based on the research where this man
don't
carry out on
and he don't become DNA expert.
So based on that, but myself I don't hear stories from different people where we say things don't they similar like this. I've been on talk one story before, say they been get one man and his wife long ago. We been they go this particular hospital, they go do fertility test. Now after like 2 years, the man no dey around, the woman can't go on her own. After she do the fertility test finish, later, like 2 weeks later, the woman comes and say she won't come out speaking. Now one of the nurse come they ask doctor say, this woman always say she dey fine picking, how she won't come out picking. But person no be small picking to know say she don't try herself, don't say
she did all right.
Like the man get wahala. Now imagine say in that case, she don't notice say the picking don't dey. Instead of to commoting the picking, she can decide to her husband say, rain don't follow, God don't bless us. The man no go no say no be get the picking. So really, it happen well. It happen these days, And
all right, make we move to the matter shocked me well because I don't really believe them. All right, make we go to we number 4 story. This one no actually suit me because anything we consign dates no be good story at all, no matter how the person be. All right, waiting be this one. This one na Sheon Alabi, the 33-year-old man where they don't talk say in by in wife. In wife way be Bosse. Now Bosse be the woman. Bosse Alabi na be her name. In don they ask her question for Yaba Panti there. Waiting they ask her question for, then talk say he killing wife. Now he talk say no, actually no be waiting happen be that. He said this day, this fateful day, before he go work in the morning, say he carry his wife phone, actually call one of his colleague for work. After I call the colleague for work, meanwhile he don't they suspect his wife before do, but he know they sure. So after he using phone, take call the in colleague as he go, he leave him. Maybe the woman can't think say na her lover number 9 day there. She can't actually call the lover can't say, okay, moko meet for so please. So when the guy reach workplace now, the friend can't tell and say, see what your wife actually talk for phone. When he can't come back house, he can't they accuse the woman. She can't say no. So he can't really turn the thing to big quarrel, and the woman can't say yes. She can't finally confess, say yes, I actually they cheat on you. Now the man can say threatening to tell his own family and her own family say she dey cheat on him. In converse sleep for 3-sitter for their room. This man na Tyler. So he sleep for the 3-sitter and the woman sleep for bed. Only for him for night, he can hear say the woman they shout, yeah. Waiting go happen. He rush go meet the woman, he can discover say, see empty can of sniper. I wanna know how dangerous that thing is because na serious poison. He can't see empty can of sniper. Say she don't know. He can't shout, call neighbors. Actually, before they go reach the hospital, the woman don't. Why? Okay. So cheating. Now the reason to end the matter, or because actually for me, I feel say before you go cheat. You dey aware of what you they do. They no drag you, rope no, they no rape you. This one only you carry yourself. What do you think about this matter?
Well, like you talk, she know before she go cheat. So me, I no go believe say that the woman no go drink the sniper. Yes. I feel it dey possible say the man force am, said this thing you go drink and woman paeleni. Because now wetin men fit do, it dey very very possible because woman we don't decide. At the time people say cheating na decision. They do mistake to cheat. When you dey cheat, no enter am. You plan am, especially for the women. It na plan calculated move. To cheat. It dey different from men when they go say, okay, then 4 weeks or one thing. Women, they plan them. No be mistake. Your woman cheat on you, no be mistake. So this one, she not fit say because the man catch him, she can't drink sniper and a lie. She go face the consequences. Last, she go say, she go meet the person where she dey cheat with and she go end up with her husband. So me, I strongly believe saying that the man now he forced this woman to drink the sniper.
Wow.
I have no idea whether I don't believe whether the man forced him.
The woman
don't die.
Yes, she
don't can't tell us whether the man
part of the story.
Exactly. So
Bernard, what you say?
I don't know.
The matter get us to the be. Nobody follow the man and do my day inside house. So like Amaka talk, we don't know waiting happen. And Betiana, what you mean say? Men say because we know as men be.
But men are the weaker species. Everybody knows that.
All right, I don't know who weak. Actually, don't know who weak. All right, so my people, we'll grab small break again. Yes, so they go pay our bills because when we come back, We shall give you plenty things, but our guest could not come body with us by the way is coming back.
Bernard, you are weak.
You won't try me?
He's a handle.
He's a weak
I will
man.
handle
But
you.
he's a handle.
But he's weak.
I will handle you.
That is why you are weak, because you can handle.